Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of a keto tiramisu inspired mousse with you. So what I'm going to do in this recipe is I'm making the mascarpone cheese. I'm going to share that recipe separately as well as a part of this video. The reason being that in India sometimes mascarpone cheese isn't available as easily and it's so simple to make. I saw no reason not to make it on my own. So we're going to do that. This is the fresh cream I'm using. This is Amul brand. I've taken about 500 ml of that. Bring this to a boil or to a simmer, and that's when you add the vinegar. 3 teaspoons is going to be enough to curdle this. So when it's boiling, you'll see that it thickens slightly, and that's when you know that it is curdling. Switch off the gas and let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, you will see it really thicken up. I'm putting this through a thin cloth. You can use a muslin cloth. We are going to drain out all of the water. Tie this cloth and hang it to any hook or handle that you have in your kitchen. I have this hook that I permanently have so that I can hang my Greek yogurt, mascarpone cheese or paneer or hunker. Whatever I make in India, you need to hang these things, and that's why I always have this hook to which I have hanged it. Now this will drain for about 1 hour, or put it in the refrigerator. You can use it the next day if you want, or just the same day itself. So I just wanted to point out that I left my cheese hanging a little longer, so it is a little more thick or drier than what you would buy, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. We're going to work around it. We're going to whip our whipping cream, and your whipping cream needs to be in the refrigerator if you want to whip it really soon or quickly, or freeze the bowl. It's even better. So I've taken 1.5 cup of that in my stand mixer. You can use a hand mixer, or you can also do this by hand, which may take too long and too much of patience. So since I had 1.5 cup of mascarpone cheese, I've taken 1.5 cup of whipping cream. This is my 1 cup of mascarpone. I'm going to add that, blend it a little bit, and then add the rest of it. The ideal way would be to get all of the whipped cream out and blend the mascarpone cheese first, but I don't want too many bowls and too much to clean, so I'm just adding it straight away. This is a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is the rest of the mascarpone cheese, and we are blending all of this smoothly. I have scraped my pot and my bowl and everything and added all of that, and now the blended mixture is ready. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking half of it and storing it to make a mousse with sugar for my kids, and this is half of that quantity to which I'm going to add the blended or the powdered erythritol. So this is 3 tablespoons. I'm also adding some rum extract. You can leave this out. You can even add a rum if you want, or brandy or any liquor of your choice, and the mousse part is ready. I'm trying to blend some of those hard pieces of mascarpone cheese. Unfortunately, since mine was left for too long, I had some guests over suddenly and I couldn't pay attention to it, and that's where this happened. Now, if you were wanting to do a real tiramisu kind of thing, you can use any of the cakes that I have shared on this channel. So you can use a chocolate cake if you want, you can use a vanilla cake, or you can use my lemon pound cake, which is super popular. I'm filling these dessert cups. And it never hurts to have some dripping on the side of the cup. And I'm topping it with some instant coffee powder. So you take a strainer and you put the coffee powder through it and you sort of tap it around and you will get this effect. I'm also grating some 95% cocoa chocolate on top, and our mousse is ready. Now this is the batch that I made for my family. I wanted to show you this way of layering it too. You could do that to a keto mousse too. So I have 1 layer of the mousse. On top of that I have put the coffee and then chocolate on top, and then another layer of the mousse, and finally some cocoa powder or cacao powder. In my case I've used cacao powder, and again the grated chocolate, and look how beautiful it looks. Share pictures with me on my social media handles. All of that information is in the description. Don't forget to share the channel with your friends and family, because I am not growing as much, or you can say I am ungrowing. So just to keep me motivated, help me grow my channel. Of course, if you enjoy watching my recipes, if you've liked this recipe, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and thanks for watching. Bye.